Starting around 27 September 2023, Stepn in every practical sense is exchanging at 20 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.5% in kind of most recent 60 minutes, or so they fundamentally thought. GMT generally has an essentially all-out market cap of $205,712,236, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $14,136,387, which in every way that really matters is very huge. This really makes Stepn, GMT, genuinely positioning at 138 in the cryptographic money market, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. On the off chance that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what especially is the Stepn cost expectation end of 2023, what will Stepn explicitly be somewhat worth in 2023, which especially is very critical. Is Stepn a generally excellent venture or sort of worth purchasing in 2023, or so they generally thought? Will GMT cost fundamentally outperform its unsurpassed essentially high in a kind of significant manner? These really are our Stepn cost expectations for GMT'(S) future, or so they basically thought. Stepn, GMT, value expectation 2023, as per the Stepn estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the GMT cost certainly is supposed to basically cross an especially normal value level of 25 cents, the normal pretty least value worth of Stepn, toward the finish of the extremely current year, ought to explicitly be 24 cents, which generally is genuinely critical. Besides, GMT can basically arrive at an extremely greatest value level of 26 cents, most certainly further appearance how this basically makes Stepn, GMT, most certainly positioning at 138 in the digital currency market, which is very critical. GMT value conjecture August 2023. Concerning August 2023, Stepn fundamentally is supposed to for the most part arrive at a by and large least value worth of 20 cents, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The GMT cost could arrive at a very most extreme cost of 22 cents, with the in every way that really matters, normal cost around 22 cents, in opposition to prevalent thinking. GMT value gauge September 2023. Concerning September 2023, Stepn all things considered is supposed to arrive at a truly least value worth of 21 cents, which certainly is genuinely huge. The GMT cost could generally arrive at an in every way that really matters, most extreme cost of 23 cents, with the by and large normal cost around 22 cents, which truly is very critical. GMT value gauge October 2023. The Stepn figure for October 2023 expects that the GMT may sort of arrive at a very greatest worth of 24 cents, with a genuinely least cost of around 22 cents, further appearance how the GMT cost could especially arrive at a for the most part, most extreme cost of 22 cents, with the genuinely normal cost around 22 cents, by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking. Discussing the really normal value GMT can by and large stretch around 23 cents for October, exhibiting how this makes Stepn, GMT, certainly positioning at 138 in the cryptographic money market in an unpretentious way. Stepn, GMT, value gauge November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of Stepn sort of is essentially anticipated to arrive at a fundamentally normal cost of 24 cents. While the coin could exchange between a truly limit of 25 cents and a for the most part least of 23 cents, by and large, in spite of prevalent thinking. Stepn value estimate December 2023, the sort of normal cost of Stepn, GMT, could basically go to 25 cents toward the finish of December 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. GMT could basically be exchanging around a fundamentally greatest worth of 26 cents, with the base expected cost of 24 cents, exhibiting how GMT for the most part has a by and large complete market cap of $205,712,236, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $14,136,387 in a very significant manner. Stepn sort of past value examination in the very beyond 24 hours, the crypto really has been in a real sense diminished by 2.19% in its truly current worth in a fundamentally significant manner. Assuming that we certainly look at the kind of current market cap of the GMT with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap really is likewise down, showing how Stepn past value examination in the beyond 24 hours, the crypto especially, has been generally diminished by 2.19% in its essentially current worth in an especially huge manner. Stepn in a real sense is confronting an exceptionally tough time jumping aboard with all things considered, other crypto coins, or so they truly thought. The GMT for the most part is down to nearly 5.73% in the very most recent 7 days in an unpretentious manner. The coin in every practical sense is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for all things considered, past especially couple of days, the coin could essentially have kind of solid basics at the same time. We don't generally feel that it would a productive resource in most certainly present moment. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of GMT essentially diminished by 49.126%, taking out an astounding in every practical sense, normal amount of 20 cents from its ongoing worth. So assuming we fundamentally look at the exceptionally current market cap of the GMT with yesterday's, you can explicitly see that the market cap truly is likewise down. Showing how Stepn past value examination in the kind of beyond 24 hours, the crypto in a real sense, has been truly diminished by 2.19% in its genuinely current worth in a very significant manner. This unexpected down really implies that the coin for the most part is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be a decent basically purchase an open door for fast interest in an unobtrusive manner. The 90 days cost change by and large is near 64.43%, and the cost truly circled from an extremely least exceptionally normal cost of 51 cents to pretty greatest normal cost of 59 cents in the in every practical sense recent days, which really shows that inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of GMT truly diminished by 49.126%, taking out an incredible all things considered normal amount of 20 cents from its sort of current worth. So in the event that we generally look at the ongoing business sector cap of the GMT with yesterday's, you can fundamentally see that the market cap basically is likewise down, showing how Stepn kind of past value examination in the by and large beyond 24 hours. The crypto explicitly has been basically diminished by 2.19% in its genuinely current worth in an unpretentious manner. Stepn generally is somewhere near 20.36%, with the especially greatest exceptionally normal cost of the coin, for the most part was around 29 cents, and the very least certainly normal cost of sort of was around 28 cents in by and large beyond 4 months, in a genuinely enormous manner. Stepn value gauge 2023 facts. What will generally be Stepn in every practical sense, worth in 2023, which all things considered, is very huge. The GMT cost by and large is estimated to basically arrive at a kind of most extreme degree of 26 cents, with sort of least cost of 24 cents, toward the finish of 2023, so will GMT cost especially outperform its untouched high in a quite enormous manner. Does Stepn sort of have a future in an unpretentious manner? As far as value, Stepn explicitly has an extraordinary truly potential to explicitly arrive at new levels, especially further appearance how in the event that you sort of are a crypto financial backer and can